guys how to do Google Classroom and Clever Login. So I'm just going to go down and I'm going to push this green rectangle. As you see, I was circling it. And it's logging in, and now I will push this thing that says Maestro Aguilar. And I'm going to go down and push week 1 or semana 1. And now you can see the activities that Maestra made for us. But if you don't have this down here, you could always go and push that right there. That I'm circling it right now. Or you could spell CLASS, and it should have this right here. You have to write classroom.google.com/H, and then I'll push this again, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get all clever now. As you see, there's a iReady lesson right here. And I'm clicking it, and I'm going to push this. And now I'm pushing iReady. And now I'm going to put in Spotify. Choose a subject. Dang. Now I'm going to... I hope that helped. Bye.